My song for you this evening, it's not to make you sad, nor for adding to the sorrows of our troubled northern land. But lately I've been thinking, and it just won't leave my mind. I tell you of two friends one time who were both good friends of mine. Now Isaac, he was Protestant, and Sean was Catholic born, but it never made a difference, for the friendship, it was strong. And sometimes in the evening, when we heard the sound of drums, we said it won't divide us, we will always be as one. There were roses, roses, there were roses, and the tears of a people ran together. It was on a Sunday morning when the awful news came round. Another killing had been done just outside Newrytown. We knew that Isaac danced up there, we knew he liked the band, but when we heard that he was dead, we just could not understand. Now fear, it filled the countryside, there was fear in every home, when late at night a car came prowling round the Ryan Road. A Catholic would be killed tonight to even up the score. Oh Christ, it's young MacDonald they have taken from the door. There were roses, roses, there were roses, and the tears of a people ran together. Isaac was my friend, he cried, he begged them with his tears, but centuries of hatred have ears that do not hear. An eye for an eye, it was all that filled their minds, and another eye for another eye, till everyone is blind. Now I don't know where the moral is, or where this song should end, but I wonder just how many wars are fought between good friends. And those who give the orders are not the ones to die. It's Scott and young MacDonald and the likes of you and I. There were roses, roses, there were roses, and the tears of the people ran together. There were roses, 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 and the tears of the people ran together.
ai cutos che in favore de sa patria imperorado, chi si spadan ahogato pro sa causa comune, o a su tuyo salvune che riamponer mesquinos, o comenti a Jacobinos los querían masacrare, però su che lo ha difeso sos bonos visibilmente, aterrado a su potente y su mire exaltado. Deus quises declarado pro custa patria nostra, de ogni insidia ostra y se nos ha da salvare. Perfido feudatario pro interesse privato, protettore declaratus este su piemontesu, con isso ti vistintesu, con me da facilidade, e se pappa di incitare, e tu in vinda porfia, fi prosos piemontesos, sa Sardigna una bucagna, che in Sassiglia si Spagna, isso si incontrati noghe, lo salza e assaoghe, finza sono camareri, popole o cavalieri, si devia ad umiliare, tanti anni ad andare, ad andare, dandia, tanti anni ad andare, ad andare, ad andare.
Isus dai gusta terra che hanno gato millones, venían senza calzones, se sintanda y angallonados, mai che sereni status, chi cana posto su poco, ma la itu gudu logo, chi creia tale zenia, e so se no che incontrana, vantaggiosos y meneos, provisos pinsos empleos, provisos pinsos honores, sas dignidades mayores, de que a toga espada, e a su sardo restada una buena sin picare. Sos disculos nos mandana pro castigo e correzione, con paga e con pensione, con infleo e con patente. In Moscovia tale gente si manda da Siberia, pro chi morte de miseria, però non pro governare. Baronessa tirannia, procurate moderare, procurate moderare, baronessa tirannia, baronessa tirannia, procurate moderare, procurate moderare, baronessa tirannia.
Tanti anni ad andare, ad andare, dandia, tanti anni ad andare, ad andare, dandia, tanti anni ad andare, ad andare, dandia, tanti anni ad andare, ad andare, dandia.